Hi researchers, my name's Joe. Let me tell you about one of my favourite animals, the ostrich. Ostrich are the fastest two-legged animals on the planet, reaching 45 miles per hour. They cannot fly, but their wings are still important and they use them for balance and for changing direction when running. While ostrich eggs are the largest bird eggs you'll find, they are actually the smallest in relation to the size of the parent bird. They are incredibly strong too, with one ostrich egg being able to withstand the weight of an adult human without cracking.
Keep an eye out, researchers. Our satellites show you should be close to seeing some giraffes.
Giraffes! Wow!
Or to use their scientific name, Camelopardalis.
They got their name because they look like a cross between a camel and a leopard.
Put the two together and you get Camelopardalis.
Now, look closely everyone and make note of how many animals you can see so that we can document the number of this herd.
In the wild, the giraffe population has dropped by 40% in the past 30 years due to poaching and habitat loss.
The Chessington Conservation Fund supports giraffe conservation by funding scientific research, field surveys and improving security of the reserves.
We think giraffes are some of the most amazing creatures on the planet.
They can live up to 25 years in the wild and can grow as tall as 6 metres, that's 18 feet.
That's as tall as a house.
Yes, and their long legs help them run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour.
Wow! That's as fast as a truck.
Adventurers, you might be able to see some antelope with a white blaze on their faces. These are called Blesbok.
They were once one of the most abundant antelope species in the African plains, but they became an endangered species during the early colonisation of South Africa, when they were hunted for skin and meat.
Thankfully, numbers have since recovered and they are now deemed as a low-risk species. They live for up to 17 years and both males and females have horns.
Though the female's horns are slightly more slender. The reserve is now home to a family of scimitar-horned oryx.
They're beautiful.
Yes, but sadly now they're extinct in the wild. But those that live here are part of an international breeding program to help re-establish the species in North Africa.
Oh, that's good news. Researchers, our satellites are showing that something's obstructing the route.
It looks like an abandoned vehicle, and there's no sign of a research team it belongs to. We recommend that you find an alternative route.
But don't go too far off the track.
What about?
No need to worry, but beware of them. Hear us? What happened out there?
We lost you for a moment.
Welcome back, everyone.
Now please remain fully seated until you're back at base, where a member of our expedition team will tell you when it's safe to leave the vehicle.
Thanks for joining us.
What a wild adventure that was.
Hope to see you again soon, here at Zufari.
Goodbye, everyone.